Hello everyone, welcome back. New brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix Telegram login problem and internet error occur if you face this type of error. So how to fix? First of all, go back to your home screen and open your phone setting, and from here click on Wi-Fi and make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection. Turn off Wi-Fi toggle at least the 30 seconds you have turned it on, and after that go back. If you use mobile data, then turn on aeroplane mode at least the 30 seconds you have turned it off, and after that check whether problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then scroll down and click on apps management, and from here click on app setting. Wait some second and search for this telegram app. Click on this and click on permissions and make sure that allow all permissions, and after that go back and click on storage and cache, and from here clear cache and clear storage. After clear cache and clear storage, check whether problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back your home screen and open your app store and play store, and from here search for this Telegram app. Click on this and make sure that update new version. I am already updated, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If this video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am helping more. Thanks for watching.